Yeah, hey, what's up, everybody? Man, take a look. These fries got all kinds of stuff. There's an E casting, there's a K casting. They got the Fast and Furious, the Muscle Mile, but they do have these 51st anniversary, and they're just all over the place. Damn, take a look. They even got this K case. There's the E. It's crazy. They got all kinds of cases up in this bin. E case, E case. But yeah, it looks like somebody has been here, so I'm not even gonna bother. There is the white twin turbo, Batmobile. A lot of people have been going after that one. But yeah, man. The one that everybody's going after for this set. Let's take a look. You got the 71 El Camino, the Datsun, the Pontiac Firebird, Aristo Rat, the 63 Chevy, and the Plymouth Superbird. But like I said, man, everybody's going after that Datsun. And I'll take a look right now in a second. Hopefully there is one. But just by looking at all this mess, take a look at this mess, man. So all kinds of castings. This is the E case. There's a Datsun right there. C case. Look, there's even last year's from last year Fiat. And there's a lot more over here.
Looks like a white fur spider.
Doesn't look good.
K case. There's all kinds of stuff over here. And there is this Camaro right here. A lot of people need or want this casting over there, or right there. But yeah, I'm not too hopeful of finding either a super or a regular treasure hunt. Not even the Datsun or a Chase, because I think this set has a Chase, which is gonna be the what's it called, man? Something toilet. Let me see. Hopefully there is one. Well, let's see. We have the number 1 out of 6 El Camino. This is the 6 out of 6. The Superbird. There's the Aristorat. Number 4. This is number 1. Number 6, number 4. So those are repeated. What else is here? Number 1, there's a number 5 over here. This one right here is a 63 Chevy, but the card is a little messed up. 63 Chevy. There's the 5 and another number 1. So I just need the number 2 and number 3. Yeah, I need number 2 and number 3, which will be the Pontiac Firebird. And hopefully there is at least one completed set. Hopefully. I think these are all the same over here. The 63 Chevys. And these are all the Aristorats. This is the Firebird number 3. This is also number 3. This is number 4. Number 6. And well, shoot, I don't think there's gonna be a Datsun, man. That's gonna be, oh man. Yeah, no, this is a Pontiac Firebird, El Camino. Number 3. I can't see the numbers. Number 3 and number 3 and number 3. So yeah, they're probably like set, or I don't know. I mean, there's more slots than numbers, so it'll be 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6, but then there will be like additional slots. But I will get to one of these, man. I have to get me that Datsun for sure, that 510. I have to. I'm not too worried about the Chase because it is that gotta go toilet, so I'm not too worried about the Chase. But I do want to get that 510 Datsun, and I was just looking at the price, and it's $149. So for $149, I better take a good card, and I'm taking only one set, just for that collection. But I will double, maybe even triple on the Datsun. So yeah, so this one's a little bent, hardcore. So 63 Chevy. It's another one. I think these ones were the Chevys. This one's a little better. It's alright. But yeah, man, for $149, you better get the best ones. Yeah, well, let's see. That's crazy. There's a lot of sets over here, man. There's a lot of sets, but now they're all incomplete, and it is a mess. So it looks like they also had the quarter mile muscle Fast and Furious, but this is all I'm taking right here. Oh, they got some $3.99 5-packs, according to that sign right there. Damn, let me see those 9-packs. This one's very JDM. It's got CRX, the Fair Lady, the Acura NSX. And there's this other one right here. Yeah, it's alright, but not really. This one's got the RX-7, the old school, and I don't know, it doesn't have any other JDM. This one's alright. Old school Ford Ranchero. There's the Datsun right here, man, the Rally, and this little box. I think I have it already though. Oh, there's a Jaguar too, or Austin Haley Roadster actually. kind of looks like a Jaguar. My bad. But yeah, man, that's it. That's all they got right here. Well, let me just show you guys what I grabbed in detail. So you have the custom 71 El Camino. I don't know what that is on the back, man, but that looks nice. Some like turbines. I don't know, man. It's a nice gold interior for sure. And plastic wheels, plastic base most likely, and very nice card. Let's see, where's the 2? I don't have a 2 because that's the Datsun, I think. The 3 will be these Pontiac Firebird. Also, no tampos on the front or the back. They're just the 51st for the 51st edition. Gold interior with the no hood, and it shows the engine, and it's got like a light blue tint, kind of cool. So that was the number 3. Number 4 is the Aristorat. This one's alright, man. This thing is nice. And yeah, this one has no windshield, no windows whatsoever. I don't know if it's an error or what it is, but I don't know. I'm taking that one. I'm not even gonna check the other ones. And this one is a 63 Chevy. Very nice for sure. This one's got like a tan interior. It's not gold base though. And take a look at that hood, man, and the grill. It gives it a cool touch, man. Cool touch. And this is the 6 out of 6, the Superbird with the 51 on the one door and the wing. This thing's ready to fly. So yeah, I'm taking all these 5 castings. I wish I could have find the Datsun, but I'll be on the hunt for it for sure.